Hey guys, good morning. It's me, Em. We're outside with Maya, walking around the park. Haven't slept very much actually, but just wanted to make a video because it's been a while. Just sitting over there. It's been a minute since I made a video. I've actually been working on a video that just shows how we set up our car at night and somewhat of the routine of what we do, as in just putting up the reflectix and putting up a little blackout curtain over our window and then taking Maya outside. Just that type of routine. Last night we tried to change it up a little bit because right now I guess I'm just kind of getting burnt out on staying at truck stops, and I don't want it to be obvious that we're always at I don't want it to become an issue that we're always staying at truck stops, as in the employees noticing that we're always there, or anybody pretty much. I just don't want it to become an issue. So we tried staying somewhere else last night. We went to a state game area, which I still I'm still trying to figure out the best and the most legal way to do some dispersed camping. And I'm not even sure if we were allowed to disperse camp at the state game area. But we at least tried it. And so we went out there late last night, early this morning basically, to try to sleep a little bit. But needless to say, I only slept about an hour and a half out there before we decided to leave. So I'm awake, trying to make a video. I needed to fix my sleep schedule anyway, so this is good. I need to be able to be awake and absorb the sun, and then sleep when it's dark out, because it gets dark really early. It's basically dark by about 5:30 p.m. So I'm not even able to get 12 hours of sunlight right now, because it starts to the sun comes up at about 8 a.m. and is down by a little bit after 5. But yeah, I apologize that I haven't uploaded a video in basically today's the 2-week mark, so I'm going to try to do better with that. I was working on that video for a while, and I even tried using Adobe Premiere Pro on my laptop, but it was just taking forever to do the littlest of edits, and I was just on the free trial version because I've never used Adobe. So most of my time editing was actually just trying to learn Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm annoyed because I put a lot of time into editing that video on my laptop, and then at the end of it all, I've just started to I've been editing it on my phone. What I want to do is add my original music so that I don't have to worry about finding royalty-free music. So I need to go through my I have a little portable recorder that I have some songs on, but I just don't think anything's really polished enough to add to my YouTube video. Whew, starting to feel really cold out here. My fingers are freezing off. I'm not sure how often I should be uploading. I know I want to upload at least once a week, but thinking about making an upload schedule of maybe, seems like I get things uploaded on Fridays and Mondays, but I don't think I want that big of a gap between the midweek, so I'm not sure if I should do like a Tuesday, Friday upload schedule or a Monday, Thursday schedule, something like that. But I appreciate you guys watching, even though I'm just rambling due to lack of sleep. But my goal is to stay up all day long and go to sleep about maybe 7, probably 8 o'clock at the latest, just so that I can actually wake up early in the morning and have as much sunlight throughout the day as possible. Whew. Alright, my hand's getting a little bit too cold to keep holding onto the phone, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I appreciate you watching. Hope you're having a wonderful Friday and enjoy your weekend. And stay safe out there. Alright, guys. Bye. I just wanted to add that as far as the state game land, we were out there and I wasn't really sure the legalities of it. And we didn't have any type of permit printed out to be out there. And I didn't even put up the reflectors or anything because I wanted to be able to see out if something happened or if somebody showed up. And actually woke up this morning to just an SUV sitting there on running, and another truck pulled through and pretty much just didn't really know if we should be there still and didn't really feel comfortable that we were sitting there trying to sleep while there was people sitting there. So we left that area this morning. We were going to go to a truck stop, but I decided that I was already awake enough that I might as well just stay awake and try to enjoy the daylight hours. But yeah. Alright, we're going to hop back in the car, so it's bye for real this time. Maya, bye!